Hey, it's Faye. I'm gonna be honest, today's video was a little hard for me to succumb to. We know the elephant in the room. This huge clothing determining my worth purge that I've been going through. Just like anyone else, I'm not saying I'm special to this. A lot of us hone onto clothes that we think we're gonna fit when we're skinnier. You know, you're surprised? Am I surprised? It's way more unhealthy and toxic than we think. A simple walk in the closet and realizing I don't fit this literally engulfs my mental health into the sewer. I realized how often and triggering this became this season. Come along with me as I try on 42 skirts, not willing to let go because when I'm skinnier, I'll fit them. If you're at the point where I am, where I feel like shit, I feel ugly, I call myself disgusting, this is your biggest sign to purge your closet because you are a walking red flag to yourself. Most of these skirts fit around a size 6 to 8 and I am comfortably around a size 10 right now. I really have to train my brain again because that even felt shameful to say, which it's not. I see that beautiful on others. I feel like a hypocrite when it's me. Keep giving myself this excuse of I look better as a size 7. A size 10 is not acceptable on my body. Literal bullshit. I'm just gonna grab as we go. There's so much down here. There's a lot more than we think. I'm gonna try the skirt that I know fits. I'm gonna have a head start here. This has by far been my favorite skirt of all summer. It gives the most flattering cut. It's a little short, so I gotta be careful. I love how much it flings around. Highly recommend. It's from Shein actually. I'm gonna try to find the link. It's like in between athletic and girly pop. Cute. I really like this skirt because it gives K-pop baddie. I'm gonna shut it down. There are buckles and straps. I'm really nervous the zipper's gonna bite off my belly. I wore this on Halloween last year because it looked so costumist. You can tell how tight it is. I can't breathe, that's for one. This flap is supposed to sit flat on my tummy. It literally goes down because I have so much fat. This is the issue. I feel like it's tight, but because it zips and it buckles, I'm like, oh, I can lose like an extra 5 pounds in like a month and it'll be fine. It'll fit. I'm so tempted to keep this. Yes, I'm making sure to repurpose these skirts on my Poshmark. It's even harder when I know that these skirts I've worn before. It's more difficult to release and even trying them on is like giving me so much, I don't know what to call it. It does not feel great to breathe out. Honestly, like I was really, truly hoping that this was gonna fit solely for redemption. I can almost do it. I am not letting this go. This skirt is way too cute. I know the whole purpose, cut ties with this negative energy, but like this skirt, like I can still fit it. It's stretchy. I'm just obsessed with this cut. Velvet textured cut. And the length is perfect on my body. I wish I could take this and put it here. Dude, when I was like 19, maybe 20, I convinced myself every day to get brave or die trying. Convincing myself, you're gonna get a BBL in like a year or two, so just convince yourself now and so you won't be scared when it happens. I was so sure. Did I do it? Obviously not. I'm just gonna want this one day. You guys remember her, don't you? I was all for the rigid on the bottom. Never took this off. Wait, it's not as bad as I thought. Oh my god, am I still doing it? It's not like the most flattering. I'm over the boys defining my worth phase. Now I'm all about clothes defining my worth. See, I feel great. I feel like, what was I worried about? I'm her. I'm that bitch. You can see the folding on the sides of my tummy, the roundness of my belly, this brick wall back here. It zips. I think that's all that I care about right now. I love this skirt so much. Probably one of the longest skirts I've had. Favorite thing ever. I'm just obsessed with these distressed asymmetrical styles. I'm gonna have such a hard time letting this go. I can't have to keep this one. What? It might fit. I'm solely impressed that it even went up the belly. Oh, it's the button, it's not me. I can't get this right. Love the style of the skirt. I feel like I just have to, like I have to keep this. I think I can do it. Look how cute this little rip is. A little skin action. A little tail for you. Love the length, this mini skirt side. Cute. I know, don't be disappointed, don't be disappointed. This is another like K-pop era skirt that I really love. This is from a brand on W Concept. Dude, I was obsessed. I would only buy skirts if they were different. May I disclaim this never fit me back then too? Yeah, this is just not gonna zip. I love this so much. There's just no way I can let this go and like sell it. Quality's amazing, the style is amazing. Fine. Okay, I have to do this for my mental health. Literally is not fair. I feel like I'm going through an intervention right now and this is like so f***ed up. It's just a skirt. Strongly dislike myself so much right now after 3 years of having this and I'm still at this state. I know, some of you Lindos are like, Faye, it's not that deep. But it's so deep. It's dark. I'm in the middle of the sea right now. Am I even okay right now? This this will be on my Poshmark post. When I bought this skirt from Urban Outfitters, still has the tag. Almost all my clothes have tags because I hoard. I think we know, Faye. I really thought I ate. The only thing I ate, pizza, burgers, fries, that's what I ate. I really thought I did something here. Hold on. It's not as bad as I thought. Did I lose weight? I hate myself. You're literally seeing my mood swings in real time. You can't blame me. I'm hormonal. Okay, I have like a whole finger to go. I can get this finger to close up. She's in business. We're just temporarily closed. The last time I tried this skirt was during summer and I looked horrendous. And so that's why I came in thinking it's gonna be just as bad, but it's not all bad. Am I the drama? Keep. You guys hate me, I know. I hate this skirt so much, I do not know why I have it. Here's a brown slit skirt. I am not a huge fan of this texture. Not a lot of structure. I mean, it's not bad, honestly. Maybe it's even better than some of the skirts that I keep keeping. I just know I won't wear this. Do I want it? Maybe it's not as bad as I thought. It's not tight. I do like how I can swoop this area. It makes it like my belly blends in very natural, but I'm really insecure about like bodycon fitted skirts, dresses, whatever it is, and I kind of feel like this is it. I think never worn, size medium. I don't like this at all. I've tried this on so many times and told myself to like it. No. So there are these straps where you can kind of tie around to make that diagonal cut look. This is the most unflattering print I could ever do to myself. Toss. Oh, this is from Meiji Woo. I remember it being way too small. I don't know why I kept this. This literally is impossible. Even the pleated area sits super unfavorable. It's so uneven. What a shame. These two skirts are from Urban Outfitters. Probably in my top 5. It still fits. Yes. Keep. This is the yellow version. Not as flattering. Keep. Here's the black version of that pink skirt from earlier. And I have a feeling this one's smaller. Oh god, nope. You're gonna see my granny undies in full effect. Yeah, absolutely no way. Stops right at my belly. Doesn't squeeze up. This is probably my favorite black denim skirt, but I just know it doesn't fit because I've never worn it. So here we go again. We're gonna go through this dilemma. Oh, it says it's a large my ass. It doesn't even go past my freaking thighs. This is so bad. This is embarrassing. Good job, Faye. I'm proud of you. It's so cute. Here's a white tennis skirt. Looks kind of weird. It goes up so high. I need to wear like tightening underwear right here. It's not bad. I'm not gonna be a hater. Look how high it goes. Bro. Keep. White fox skirt. I think I fit this. I love the rounded corners. I'm gonna give it to myself, okay? And I'm happy that this one at least can stay flattering. I am sucking in it a little bit, but that's fine. Keep. Classic denim. Very kind of tight. Lots of lumps happening button by button. And then on the sides you can see this is odd. It's literally giving me like 5 C-sections. If you're a size 8 or so, this will be like perfect for you. I cannot. Girlfriend. I recently got this in a Shein haul. Probably like too much for me. You know, like when would I wear this out? I love the zigzag button and cut. Just not a huge fan of this bright orange. This is literally screaming Halloween town. Here's another similar skirt situation to that velvet one. It's not asymmetrical, but it does have like pleating down here. It stretches. It's just too small. I don't think I'd be comfortable wearing this out. It feels like a seatbelt. Ugh. It's so cute though. And please don't come for me telling me that the right skirt for my body shape is a peplum. Someone has said that recently on my Facebook post. By the way, follow my Facebook page if you haven't. I've been posting way more often there. So I was like, girl, you need to wear a peplum. And I was like, peplums? Unless you work in corporate or you're going to a funeral, I do not want to see you in a peplum or even suggest a peplum. I was offended. Toss. I like this color. I just don't know if it likes me. I like the 2 little slits here, but it's a no for me. Not structured enough and it doesn't feel secure on my belly. Everyone has this skirt. Not anymore. I love this skirt. It's a sweat skirt. Sweatpants, but in a skirt form. Really cute. I gotta like try to make an effort to wear this out more. Definitely keep it. Don't judge me for having a leopard skirt and it's shiny and glassy. Someone has to have it. The fashion world had a phase with animal print. It's like a silk lined, flares out on its own. Really nice for anyone who's very box shaped like me. It's not like 2008, 2000 late. This is still very like 2021. Please, my Gen Zs, please give me your opinion on animal print. But for now, I don't know why I've been trying to stray away from this skirt. I don't know if I love it though. I wore this to KCON one year. I do love the style of the skirt. Again, I'm very into asymmetric skirts. I think it's very flattering overall. This is cute. Okay. I feel torn because from the front, it looks decent. But the side, because this skirt is so fitting to my body, you can totally see the tracing of my big belly and then my flat ass. It's not cute at all. Oh my god. I look like a freaking flattened trophy from the side. I don't know. It's fine to have a belly, but like when you don't have an ass, you're really standing on one foot here, Faye. I feel like I've had this for so long, but it has this asymmetrical folding on top of each other here. Okay, when you have zips on the side, no one's here to help you. You go against the wall and then you just use the wall to hold it down and you zip it. See? Again, it's the side for me. You should not be keeping these dresses that make me look like shit. More than anything, look like shit. I feel like shit. What do I do? I've had it for so long that I just don't want to let it go. Now lose weight. I need to lose weight to make this look good. Is that enough? I'm getting tired. I can't let it go. The side sucks, but I can't let this go. Like, I feel like I just won't be able to find any skirts with this style. I just keep one and I toss the other. I think the black one's more flattering on my body because this one you can totally see my stomach. Why am I doing this to myself? This is so tiny. It's stretchy. How do I feel? My stomach is just so bad in this. Oh my god, it looks so bad from the side and the... Okay, look at this and then it just goes straight down my leg. She's really out here winning trophies. Like, what in the world? Like, am I okay? Oh, my baby bod. Toss. Getting angry. Oh my god. I'm like angry looking at myself right now. I feel so upset. Isn't this bad? Dude, I'm so pissed off at myself. I can't even look at myself right now. This is just like stupid at this point. This is like just not even fun anymore. I feel better. I took a break. Recently, I featured this brand Lychee in a video called like clothes I regret buying. Out of all the skirts and clothes I bought, majority of them I regret except for this skirt. I really like this one. It barely fits. I do highly recommend this skirt from the brand. The rest you can skip. I didn't realize you can see all my freaking stretch marks. Here's another white tennis skirt. It's not like that tennis cute pleated skirt. Wider slits that aren't really slits. They're the kind with like the spandex shorts underneath. It's just way too long. Okay, this next roller skirt I was a huge fan of, but it was too big for me at the time and I bought it for a lot of moolah. Wow, it fits. They have these very cute Girl Scout closeout. This skirt was part of that line. This cute like patch right here. I just don't like skirts that are that long. It's either you're a mini skirt or you're a midi skirt. Pick one. I don't like anything in between, especially for my like 3 foot long legs. Okay, love this skirt. I wore it everywhere. I remember getting a stain on this when I went to LA recently to film with K-pop idols. I love how high the slit is. It's literally where my underwear is, so I gotta be careful. This skirt gives me a lot of shape. Probably one of my top 5 skirts. Highly recommend. So for sure, also thrifted this Nike skirt. It's a skirt and it's way too big for me. Well, it was. It doesn't grip around my waist well. I guess it's kind of fine now. I just wish I can pull it up higher. Probably gonna put it on my Poshmark for like $5. I feel like everyone has this knotted skirt from 2012. Remember when knotted wrap skirts were so in? This definitely replicates that, but I love it. I think it's like still very sexy. I'm gonna keep this because I do feel like the black complements my body and I do like the length. It may look super mini to you, but on a short person, it's like perfect. You see the whites of my thighs. That's when you know it's sexy. Dress it up a little bit and make it look less 2012. Here's another tennis skirt. I think it's cute. It's very short. This may be even too short for my liking. Perfectly on my body from Amazon. Shows off my thighs. I do like it. I feel like a cupcake. Think of my no ass out in the open like a naked book. Maybe I can put this with my spicy dress up clothes. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a spicy yes style haul because there's a lot of spicy clothes on there and I was like, what? Toss. I already know where this is going. Bought this from Forever 21 a long time ago. I really did like this color and the lacing. Oh my god, Hoochie Coochie is like screaming right now. Easy. You want to know the story behind these skirts? I got a gray version because I was so obsessed. I thought it was super appropriate. I really wanted to get skirts like these for when I meet my boyfriend's parents. Did not do that. No point of putting both of them on when they look like this. The gray version and the beige version. It doesn't fit no more, and that's okay. I was obsessed with these kind of pleated skirts. This was actually different from the one that I first showed you guys way in the beginning. Well, that's as far as it'll go up. There's a belt design right here with a buckle and strap. Not that it's functional at all. Pretty pricey. I think this was also from W Concept. Can you guys tell at this rate, I just like over it. I physically feel my self-esteem just dropping. Like I just don't care no more. We have 2 regular skirts left, and honestly, I'm not even gonna bother getting in them. I know they're not gonna fit, and I don't feel like it anymore. Everyone and their mothers who shop on YesStyle all have this skirt with a slit belt right here. Ugh, fine. I won't be a party pooper. I came this far. Extra large? Oh my god, are you really? These are shorts. The lychee shorts that you're supposed to wear around your wrap skirts. Gorgina. Kush the Hooch is sucking it in herself. It has the belts on the side. I'm gonna include these midi skirts, and I literally have only 5 in my closet anyway. Let's see if this persists. Ooh, lovely for fall. I'm sure this is how long it is. Super Pilgrim Amish-esque, but I love it. Keep. Love, love, love. Skirt, skort, whatever you want to call it. I got this again when I was in my K-pop era, and I loved the style so much. It has the short peekaboo underneath. My rolls are popping, but that's okay. I love the style. I love the look of this, so definitely keep. Tell me why I thought I was so cool getting this skirt from ASOS. What was my thought process? This skirt is clearly situational. It's kind of cute. Like if I went to like a winter gathering, a rich mom brunch, it looks like a wedding dress. Oops. Where am I going, you may ask? Off to see the winter fairies. Here's a cute floral skirt for spring fall. I think I got this in the plus size section actually from J-Style. It does bubble a bit around the waist. It's quite cute and fun. Very wearable. Like I'd wear this inside the house. Why not live life on the edge? Cute. Here's the last piece of the night. I got this skirt from Revolve. I saw a photo of Chloe Ting wearing the same skirt. And although mine does not zip all the way, I have no idea when I'll ever even wear this. It's pretty long. Honestly, do I want this? I don't think it's even flattering on my body. I need to steam this sucker. The ruffles look sad. Ta-da. Keep. Okay, 5 years later, we're finally done. If you made it this far, then give it a thumbs up. Don't be too hard on yourself if you're going through things like this. A lot of people actually gave me the same piece of advice in previous videos. You're not made to fit clothes. Clothes are meant to fit you. So just trying to keep myself aligned with that. Not am I just trying to let things go physically. I'm trying to let things go emotionally and mentally. I know you have a pile. I know you have a stash. Throw it out. It's not worth it. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't